required. Now I am having furthermore subdivisions. So I have to use one more else if. That's it. I'll be using one more else if. So if income is greater than or equal to 37,650 and income is less than 91150, the top rate is 0.25. Else the top rate is 0.28. Okay, maybe we can align it. And I'm using else if as a single keyword, so I don't require to use multiple end to close the if loop. The code is perfectly correct. We'll run the code and see. I got 28. I got 15. I just want to see if all the four values are coming. I got 25.1 is around missing. Just cross-checking whether I'm getting whether the code is running to that loop also. Nothing else. We'll definitely go, just we are cross-checking. 0.1 is, I think the random number is not generated very small number. All the numbers are very big. At least one number I thought will come less than 9275. Oh, I think MATLAB is very adamant. Okay. I hope the objective is clear. Using multiple else if to, yes, see 0.5740, you got 0.1. So the code is running through all the statements. So that is what the conclusion here. So in the previous thing, we have seen about the basic if else, single if and single else. Now we have seen if else if with one if and one else if we have seen. Now we have seen with one if and multiple else if. And remember, if you use space between else and if, then there will be an issue with the end command. So don't use space between if else and if. Use as a single command else if. And see here, this depending, you can write code for this. So you have to include 3 more else if to compile the tax rate. Okay, taxable income bracket. I'm not doing that. Yes, save me the answer. The following code should assign y the value of 2 only when x is between 100 and 200. What is the condition 2 you have to write? See the code and say me the answer. Nested if else you can use, but nested if else will make things complicated. So MATLAB suggests you to use else if together. Nested to avoid nested if else only, MATLAB is giving you the option else if. Okay, I hope the answer is clear for you. For this, say me the answer. What is the condition 2 you will give when the x value is between 100 and 200? C or B? B and C logically look the same, but when you write the code in MATLAB, how will you write it? Can we write 100 less than x less than 200? Or I have to give specifically x greater than 100 and x less than 200? Yes, when you write the code in MATLAB, B will not be suitable. So I should use only C. C is also wrong. Already see here, x is less than or equal to 100. So 0 to 100, whatever value, this y will be 1. So when after 100 till 200, you have to give y is equal to 2. So you just need to check if x value is less than 100 because x is greater than 100 is already taken care by this if. So it is simple, x is less than 200. I hope we were seeing so much into the code, but To make things simple, already the one condition is satisfied in the previous if itself, right? Second condition, if we check, that is enough. So option D is correct.